Global Astronomy Month. Astronomy has played a significant role in shaping human civilizations. From ancient humans to Greeks and Egyptians to medieval Europe, stargazers and astronomers thought about the shapes, figures, and lights that made up the night sky. Our understanding of the cosmos evolved as our cultures and technologies developed. Our ideas began to change from primal thought to a more scientific construct explained through the laws of physics and mathematics. Our ideas about the world and the apparent significance of humans in it also evolved. Take the position of Earth in the solar system, for example. For countless generations, humans believed that the sun, the moon, stars, and everything else in between went around the Earth. It was the Aristarchus of Samos who first realized that the sun might be the center of the world rather than the Earth. Even though he had some foundation for his ideas, he was still lost in time, and an Earth-centered view continued to rule the world. The idea that we are at the center of the universe dominated the world for centuries until Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer and mathematician, calculated and proposed that the Earth was not the center of the world. Other giants such as Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei ensured that the planet Earth would never again be placed at the center of the universe. Throughout our adventures into the history of astronomy, we noticed that as scientists and astronomers started using mathematics and physics to explain the workings of the universe, our knowledge about the cosmos also expanded. For many years to come after Galileo observed Jupiter's moons, humans taught, discussed, and invented tools and methods to understand better the world we live in. By the time the world of exploration expanded our horizons from philosophical debate to quantum mechanics, the world of science, especially astronomy, had become too centralized. It had become too focused in the laboratory. The public was almost always in the dark in regard to the amazing discoveries and inventions that added to our understanding of the cosmos. In the mid-90s, astronomers like the late Carl Sagan, among others, popularized astronomy by simplifying it and making it available to the general public. Science is difficult. No matter what science book you open, it will always contain mathematics, formulas, and words that appear challenging to pronounce. However, science is not magic. It basically explains the world around us. From the stars and galaxies to cells and atoms, science explains the inner working of our universe, and that is what makes it exciting and motivating. Science is fun and educational when we entertain people with it. Carl Sagan's amazing books such as Cosmos and the Pale Blue Dot, along with his revolutionary television series also called Cosmos, inspired generations of young astronomers. In the meantime, as science became popular and more available to the public, organizations and foundations were founded to help inspire children, students, and teenagers to walk towards science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, collectively known as STEM. These organizations had one goal in mind: making science readily available to all and inspiring the younger generations of physicists, chemists, engineers, mathematicians, and astronomers. In 2009, one such organization founded in US by Mike Simons, an amateur astronomer called Astronomers Without Borders, or AWB for short, launched a program that later solidified into an annual celebration, the Global Astronomy Month, or GAM. GAM is all about astronomy and astronomy lovers. It typically starts on April 1st and lasts for the whole month. It is filled with shows, programs, and fantastic outreach opportunities in online and physical formats all around the world. The beauty of AWB and GAM, among other programs and organizations, is the global scale and reach of these programs, which ensures that nobody is left out and everybody gets the chance to get involved in doing astronomy. It is worth mentioning that AWB is not alone. Countless other networks and organizations such as the International Astronomical Union, the Planetary Society, International Workshop for Astronomy with their International Astronomical Youth Camp, the Royal Astronomical Society, and many more have dedicated their time, money, and sometimes even lives towards astronomy outreach and popularizing it. You can also enjoy the programs that are organized by these organizations during Global Astronomy Month and the rest of the year by signing up for their newsletters, browsing their websites, or contacting us. No matter who you are or where you live, we are sure that there is always an astronomy program within your reach. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us for more content about astronomy and science.